Hi, I'm Craig Story from Crestron, here today on behalf of Pinnerton, and I'm demonstrating the AirMedia 100, our Crestron wireless presentation device. What I'll do is run you through settings and the device connectivity. So as you can see, this is the home screen behind us. We've got the device connected over HDMI. The home screen, we've got the address bar and the IP address of the system, and we've got the code to be able to connect to the system, as well as some very simple instructions to follow. What I need to do is just go to my PC, type in the IP address or the room name. Currently mine's set to AirMedia Craig S, which I've just searched for, and I can download the temporary executable. Once I've done this, it brings up a Crestron Widget on my PC, which then allows me to type in the code for the unit. Once I've typed in the code for the unit, my system's now connected and I have a mirror image of my PC. As you can see, you've got the Crestron widget here. This is a movable widget. You can have it wherever you want, so it doesn't have to overtake on your presentation. On the widget, we have a couple of options. We can either stop the presentation and cease presentation. We can pause the presentation, so freeze it, and then we can go off and look at emails or other presentations and queue those presentations before they're up on the screen. And then we also have a little options tab. In the options tab we can remote view, so we can have up to 32 users connected to the system at any one time. They can remote view what I'm displaying, so they can sit at the back of a room with an iPad or an Android or any other tablet, PC or Mac, and they can remote view ultimately what we're displaying as the presenter. We also have projection source, so we can, currently it's set to main desktop, but we can set that to extended desktop. So that I can have my presentation notes on my desktop while I'm presenting, and we can have the presentation on the display. The other option is quad view. This allows up to 4 users to display their presentation on the screen at any one time. The way I would do that is by selecting quadrant, and then ultimately I'm up on that quadrant there. So I've just selected upper left, and if I came in and wanted to connect via my Android or iPad, then I can select an unused quadrant and fill that space. The way you'd connect via Mac is also exactly the same. You download that executable, and that's given as an option on the home page. And if you wanted to connect via an iPad or Android, then all you need to do is download the App Store or Google Play app free of charge from Crestron. It's called AirMedia.